Let's turn humble cottage cheese into a creamy, delicious ice cream. Packed with protein and AI approved for guilt-free indulgence. First, blend cottage cheese with honey and vanilla. AI tip: blend until it's super smooth, you won't believe it's cottage cheese. Now, personalize your ice cream. Add berries for freshness, chocolate chips for crunch, or peanut butter for a rich, nutty flavor. AI says variety is the spice of life. Freeze your creations for at least 3 hours. The hardest part? Waiting. AI predicts it'll be worth it. Once frozen, it's time to scoop. Look at that creamy, dreamy texture. AI gives it a 10 out of 10. And there you have it, cottage cheese ice cream. High protein, low guilt, and ridiculously delicious. Trust AI, this is your new favorite dessert. Love this AI-inspired dessert? Hit like, subscribe, and share. What mix-ins would you try? Let us know below.